have so many questions, but how do you ask them? Well, you start with WH pronouns. That's what we're going to talk about today. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, so what are question pronouns? Question pronouns are words you use at the beginning of a question sentence. We have a couple of them. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's talk about question pronouns. What? Question pronouns. But what are question pronouns? Well, question pronouns are also often called WH words. And why is that? Well, you'll see right away. Who, what, where, when, why, which, and how. They're called WH words because all of these words have a W and an H in them. But when do you use these question pronouns? Let's take a look. First one we're going to talk about is who. You use who when you want to ask a question about a person. For example, who is that man? Or who do you like the most? You use what when you want to talk about an object or a thing and you want to ask a question about that. For example, what is that thing over there? Or, what are you doing? Where is also a question pronoun, and it's all about asking questions about a place or a location. Where do you live? Or, where do you go to school? Then we have the next one, which is when. You use when you want to ask questions about the time. For example, when is our next holiday? Or, when can I call you? Why? Why? You use why when you want a reason for something. Well, for example, why are you so angry? Or, why is Mr. Vrukel so smart? Joke. And the next one is which. Not to which like but you use which when you want to ask a question about when you have to make a choice and you have to choose something. For example, A or B. Well, in this case, you could also ask the following questions. Which t-shirt should I buy? Or which games console do you like the most? The Xbox or the PlayStation or the Switch? Then we have how. And you use how when you want to ask a question about a process. How did you build that robot? Or how did he discover America? Those are the question pronouns. How? Why? Why is this the end of our lesson already? Well, it's because that's it. It's time for you to get started now and do those exercises. And don't forget to check them. That's really important. That's the end of our lesson for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.